giant yellow anaconda.
The giant yellow anaconda specimen, central to the new Nexus Bio program, begins its journey to the processing facility.
Here in the unloading bay, the lab-grown anaconda material is carefully transferred to the production line.
The biofabricated subject undergoes precise data capture. High-capacity scanners record
data capture is essential. The blue lasers transition to green, analyzing the unique muscle density of the giant bioengineered anaconda.
Utilizing advanced biomimicry, these bioreactors synthesize materials inspired by the anaconda's unique biology.
The microstructure of the synthetic scales reveals the key to the biofabrication process, allowing
Inside these gleaming tanks, the next generation of materials, inspired by the anaconda,
all parameters are within tolerance.
Perfect. Approving the batch now.
The biofabricated substrate undergoes precise texture calibration. Industrial press rollers adjust the density. biomeat process is complete, ensuring a sustainable future for protein production.
Inspired by the intricate patterns of the yellow anaconda, these biosynthetic panels are seamlessly integrated into the production line for final processing.
Gentle washing drums clean the material evenly. Rollers emphasize reptilian scale geometry. High-definition laser scanners are deployed to map the depth and homogeneity of the vivid yellow-scaled surface.
To ensure durability, the automated system performs a flex test, evaluating the yellow leather's strength and resilience through repeated bending cycles. This automated process ensures every edge is perfectly smooth and durable, ready for the next stage of production.
From the bioreactor to these exquisite finished goods, the yellow Anaconda textile represents a new era of sustainable luxury.
From our high-capacity facility, we present the culmination of the biofabrication process.
These vibrant yellow snakeskin products are the culmination of our biofabrication process, grown sustainably in our state-of-the-art facility.
Our biomeat and snakeskin products are grown right here in our state-of-the-art facility.